And we're just hours away from New Year's Eve celebrations that have already started across India, but they may face major disruptions. Here's why. Gig workers from Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, Zepto, Amazon and Flipkart prepare for a nationwide strike through the day today. As the year's busiest sales day, the strike threatens to derail customer plans and severely impact retailers who rely on last-mile delivery to hit their year-end revenue targets. The strike has been called by the Telangana Gig and Platform Workers Union and the Indian Federation of App-Based Transport Workers, with support from multiple regional collectives across Maharashtra, Karnataka, the Delhi NCR, West Bengal and even parts of Tamil Nadu.
Mumbai, being a major gig delivery hub, is now facing delayed services. Reason being a protest and a strike that has been called by the several delivery boys who risk their lives and get you your orders within 10 minutes of time. Now, this entire strike has been started from 25th of December, and today on 31st they have called a nationwide strike where the delivery partners from several of these giant platforms, including Zepto, Blinkit, Zomato, as well as Instamart and Amazon, they are protesting, stating that they need resolutions and solutions to the problems that they have been facing for quite some time now. You look behind me, this is a store, a godown in fact here in Lokhandwala, and all of these men, they are delivery partners. They get you your products to your home within 10 minutes of time, but they also are now, while we came here and we tried speaking to them, the store manager is warning them and asking them to not speak on the camera, and if they do so, they will face the consequences. Now, this is a clear threat for these delivery partners who often, after almost delivering hundreds of orders within a month, are able to get a bare minimum amount to live and to survive in this time of in Mumbai. But at the same time, they state that them being pressurized to not speak to the camera speaks volume about under what pressure do these people work. And at the same time, the store manager says that none of these delivery partners are facing any sort of problems, but this is only being told by the store manager and not by these delivery boys. And henceforth today, even at Azad Maidan, all of these delivery partners have come in great numbers to carry on with their strike unless and until their demand of this 10-minute delivery issue, as well as they require a security status, they require the job security that they perform, and an employment status that they're expecting from that they get a solution for this from the strike that has been called today nationwide by these unions of gig workers.